Hello, Mrs. Beth here with your instructions for today. Today you're going to be working on Project 3. You're going to report your attendance here, and then for your actividad inicial, you're going to click on this photo. Let's see what the photo says. It says respond orally to the question. So I put a picture here, and then I put a question here based on this picture. You're going to look at the picture, and then you answer right here. Answer the question. Back to the plan. ¿Cómo es la escuela? So we're talking about the school, and the first thing you're going to do is go to page 116. Since you don't have your page 116, I put it there for you. So you go to your page 116, talks about perspective of the Hispanic war and talking about the school, so some information that you can learn about the schools around the world, the Hispanic world. Then it says read the page, and you're going to make a presentation on Canva. You know that I always like to innovate things, but yes, you can have this as a second option to do a Google presentation like always, but I would like for you to try Canva. It's pretty cool, and you can play with it, and then you will have a new resource for making posters for your other classes, so who knows. So here you have presentations, and then you can play with it. It's very easy, very simple. You find your template. These ones are free, and then you can include pictures. You can find pictures here of what you need and include your presentation. It's pretty cool. So if you want to use it, that'd be cool. So we see something different. Okay, but anyway, you're going to make a presentation. This is what you're going to make in your presentation. You have the first page with 5 facts about schools in Spanish speaking countries. These ones are in the page right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're going to type those in your first page. In your second page, you're going to answer the questions for check it out, and that is right here. Check it out. There are some questions here. I actually put the questions here, A, B, and C, and then I tell you how many answers I want for each. In the third page, you're going to answer the questions from Think About It, and the answer is based on the information read. So once you read this information, you're going to complete the Think About It, the questions. And I put the 2 questions here. Then you're going to go to this website. It's from a school in Colombia where I used to work before I came to the United States. And you're going to click on Video Institucional. You're going to watch the video and take notes on what you see and listen. Let's click here. So here we are on the website for the school. It's pretty cool things there, but you're looking for the Video Institucional that is all the way down here. Click on it, and it shows you about this school. Colegio. So you're going to watch the video, and then you're going to write 5 things that you understand from that video. You watch the video, it told you about the school because of the images of what you see. You're going to write what you think you understood from it. And then you're going to make a comparison between the school that you see in the video and your own school. You're going to list 5 similarities or difference. Difference or similarities, only 5. And then last, you're going to look at page 117, and it tells you that you are going to do a reading presentation. It gives you instructions how to do it, but you're just going to give me the result. So here is like an example of what you should have at the end, and you're going to type that in your last page. So it's a sketch and the final note. You're going to follow what it says in the sketch and the final note. That is a short paragraph. And that's all you had to do today. You're going to be working today on that. And you also need to check your grades, see that everything is in order, that I didn't make any mistakes. And I'll see you in class. Adios.